Happy Monday, everyone. Last week, the GLVR real estate numbers for September came out. I spent some time in between baseball games this weekend going over the data, and here's my 3 data points and then 3 takeaways. Got some notes in front of me, by the way. So first data point, new listings, pending sales, closed sales, all down pretty significantly, anywhere from 15 to 21% year over year. Data point 2, year over year prices are up, but month over month, interestingly, from August to September was down. And that drop off is somewhat seasonal, but it looks like the drop off this year is more significant than the past 2 years. Data point 3, buyer demand's definitely down due to higher mortgage rates, but the reduction in inventory that we're seeing come on the market is totally offsetting the reduction in buyer demand. Days on market was up 1 day, but then month of inventory was down from 1.3 to 1.2 months. All right, so my quick 3 takeaways. 1, we're definitely still in a seller's market at 1.2 months of inventory. The benchmark for a balanced market is somewhere between 4 and 6 months of inventory. Takeaway 2. So even with inventory down, days on market is up, which tells me that buyers aren't really rushing to purchase quite as much as they were before. I'm sure there's still some urgency, but I don't think they're rushing as much as they were obviously earlier in the year and maybe even over the summer. Data point 3, average and median price drops month over month, as I mentioned earlier, could suggest that there's some softening. And then my other question is if there's some data lag as well, because some of these contracts that closed in September might have been written in June or July, and they may still have some of that lower interest rate or lower compared to today interest rate environment mixed in there. So those are kind of the takeaways. Still slow from a numbers perspective. There's still buyer demand out there. Mortgage rates keep going up, so we'll see if that continues to decay buyer demand, and we'll see if that softens the market at all.